Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is David Osamoje. If you're just tuning in for the first time, if you're just watching my videos for the first time, I say thank you for clicking through. Thank you for picking my videos out of the rest, and because you did that because you really want to learn something unique and something new, and that's what my channel is about. I create different designs for print on demand, different designs you can use for print on demand. So it's more like an inspirational design for your t-shirt, your mug, your phone cases, anything you can upload, any artwork you can upload on print on demand site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring Match by Amazon. Yes, you get the drill. That is it. This is the channel. So I have about a lot of videos already on my channel. You can just go through and watch as much as you want, but we're not going to waste time. We're not going to waste time with this one. We're just going to go straight right into it. So please watch to the very end if you're serious about print on demand. And yes, we're going to be using canva.com for this. So I'm going to click on canva.com. It's going to be a very simple design. We know this period has not been super cool for a lot of us. Majority of us, 99% of everyone, have not been taking this period so sweet, not been enjoying this period, but we'll make that cool for ourselves in the future. So leaving all the talks out, let's just click on create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400. So it creates a design. So it's going to load up. As you can see, it's loading up. So for this one, we're going to be doing something super easy, super sweet, super unique. So I'm just going to go to image first, element, sorry, and I'll go to shapes and just click on this shape because I want to make use of this shape for this one. So I'm just going to increase it. So now we have the shape. So I'll just position in the middle like that. So now I'm going to go to, let me see, I'll look for rows. Let me see if I'll find something on that rows that is free. On that rows. So let's see if we can find something that is cool and we can use. Okay, so this one is another one. Okay, it's pro. You can't really use this. This is a pro version, and if you increase it, you see it has the watermark, so you can't use this. I have the pro already. I'm just using the free one so that you see for yourself that you can actually use this one. So we'll just find good rows we can use for this design. So let's just go through. I like this one, like this. Okay, I like this. So we can just put it in one side like that, just like that. So we'll have it like so, and now we'll just change the color of this box to match document colors. So let's see, we change that to brown. That's the way it's going to look. Change that to a darker brown. It's going to look like that, and we don't want that. Okay, I think this is cool. So now that we have that for set out, then the next thing for us to do is to put in our text. And for our text, it's just going to be something simple. You can just use this. And let's see how it's going to look. We'll bring that in here. So we'll just double tap to highlight that. And what we're going to do is put something like stay happy. As simple as that. Your design does not need to be complicated. As you can see, super easy. So to increase your Shape, you just have to move. If you want to make it wider, you move this, you press down, you move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button, drag outward. If you want to increase the size, you move to this rounded shape. You see you have that double arrow, you press down with your left mouse click button and drag outward. So you have that. So now you just have to place this like so. You can see how amazing this is looking. You can see how amazing it's looking. You can increase this a bit. So that will just move it like that. So you see it says stay happy. Stay happy. Let's move this to the middle like so. You can see a very simple design, not complicated, super easy to come up with. And with that we have the design. And now I have to tell you the bitter truth. The bitter truth is that if you are serious about making passive income, we're talking 100 to 1k dollars, pounds per month from print on demand. Print on demand, that is selling your art, your designs on Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Made by Amazon, Society6, and every other print on demand site. You need to get rid of your backgrounds in all your design. And for the free version of Canva, it's always, all your design will always come with a background. But if you get pro, just listen to me, don't click off yet. You will miss the best part if you click off. If you get pro, you can get rid of this white background, and I got you covered. Check the first link in the description right about now. Click on that link. It's going to open on a new tab. Make sure you go straight and sign up for an account with Canva, and you're going to be given a 30 days free Canva Pro license on me, so you can create as much design as you want for yourself and use it for yourself. So with that said, as you can see, we are done with the design, and we did a practical class for you guys, a kind of Canva tutorial for beginners. If you are just joining for the first time, it's a passive income course on design for print on demand designs. So that is it. So let's just hit on download. I hope you're still there. Click on download, click on download. So it's gonna prepare the download. Make sure you don't click off until it's done downloading, and you're gonna see it's gonna download. It's gonna download for you. So now that you have that downloading, make sure you always check it. Make it part of you to always check your design when you are done, to make sure it's there. As you can see, our design is there. It says stable. So I have the pro, so I'll get rid of the white background obviously, but for this video this is what we have so far. So you see, if we have without the white background, now we can put it on different shirt, and this shirt will sell super well. So with that said, I will tell you to check to your right. You see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist and consume more content from my channel, so that you understand and you know how to make different designs, get inspiration for your designs. And I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.